Yo! Today is the day. I don't know where I was gonna go with that. Oh my gosh. My paw. My paws! I am running out of space. I have so much stuff. I need to download a bunch of stuff too, and I'm running out of space. Like tons of space. So, I'm gonna be moving some stuff over to my 6 terabyte hard drive. Man, I need a place to save this shit. So we're gonna be working on Henya. She just talks about movies and stuff like that, so I'm gonna clean that up a bit. And then after that, I think what I'm gonna do is, where am I at? Shit. There I am. Hi. So after that, we will be, see, I'm moving some of this stuff over here. After that, we'll be moving, other stuff. So I'm gonna delete this. This is like 91 gigs. How do I delete it? Move to trash. There we go. So there's another big one. Which one is it? Toxa Mint Madra. Here we go. So this one here, another 91 gigabytes. So I gotta download all of Henya's Dark Souls and her recent Elden Rings, and I'm gonna put them all together. I got a huge Baka Baka clip thing going down, and I might have to do the Silent Hill also because she was saying Baka Baka about that. So that being said, let's this is regular hard drive, so it's slow. Holy shit, 154, what the fudge? Yeah, slow storage. So, let's open up a new tab. New Windows, I mean. We'll go to App Image. We need to bring up our Arcade and Live. So we're gonna open up, I think it's this one. So I was working on it a little bit today. I set up like a new thingamajig. I set up a new workstation downstairs while during the day. So I got to work on this a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna keep the metal on for a little while. Because Henya's metal.
Yeah. Anyone see Memento? What's...
I think I'm just gonna start with this. I had her say nay.
Nah. Yeah. Anyone see...
But I think what I'm gonna do is just start off with anyone see Memento? Yeah. Memento? And, yeah. Oops. So these are easy. I mean, I can just do like this. So I was kind of I was throwing them a lot of, I was doing a lot of my old school throwing stuff up there. With the swishes and the swooshes, like this one.
Oh my goodness.
But I think what I'm going to do is kind of, ooh.
Of course I love Konosuba! Of course I love Konosuba!
Forgot I did that. I wish I knew if there was a way to do shadows. Because that would be pretty tight, you know what I'm saying? Because shadows can give the, it can give like a, my laser eyes. You give a sense of, stuff's going down or something. I went to the poolio and it was good. Although, like, I was tired. Had to rush everything.
Yeah. Anyone see Memento? What?
Excuse me.
What?
Memento?
Anyone?
I might just do like my lazy one. But what I've been doing here, like this comes up, but then like I'll, yeah, let's go back. I had to fade in and stuff. Ooh. Let's do this. So if you hit like Control Shift, kind of do like that. So I can kind of.
Anyone see me?
So I can start off like right here, but at the end, I can have it like curve a little bit, and then like not that much. You don't want to have it curve too much, and then I can decrease its size or increase its size. What the fuck? That's weird.
Anyone see Memento? What's that? Anyone see Memento?
So I kind of want to. I'm going to take these away. Actually, a good spot to do this was here. And then this here will have it fade. Alright, so like, but I want it to like zoom in. Alright.
Anyone see Memento? What's that? Is that anime or something? No, never seen it. You're fine, Henya. Don't worry. Thank.
And now I got to cut out a lot of those stuffies. This open air stuff. So I'm going to do the same, right? So say you're fine, Henya. Kadar? There it is. So what I've been doing is like here. You get it kind of close. Did I can just Control V this, right? Oh yeah, there it is.
Thank you. Thank you, Dale. Thank you, Dale.
Do. I'll make sure this kind of runs in together. Yeah, it does. As long as our head's not like completely changed out. So it's hanging out. It's hanging out there on the ooh, what happened? Did I make it disappear? Did it disappear on me? So we can bring it out. Yeah, I think it disappeared on me. I click like something here. Oh, that's probably part of the reason. There we go. So then I can bring it out here. And then like...
You're fine, Henya. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you, Dale. Thank you. Don't worry. Thank you.
We'll get rid of it there. Okay, so here, before this starts, we can do that, and then we can here. Boo 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 boo. You're fine, Henry. Don't worry. Don't you worry. I've been putting it back. Yeah. So, but here, like, okay, we start like that, and then here we can like zoom in a little bit, and then have it curve a couple things, and then I guess kind of go like that.
You're fine, Henya. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you.
Ooh. Actually, if we did that there, right? I think it make more sense. I don't like how that's going over. So what we'll do is blah 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 it. We'll bring it here. And then what we'll do also is just copy this and then bring it over here.
You're fine, Henya. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you, Dale. Thank you, Dale.
It's always like if you're doing something like this, it's best to like make sure it works, right? You don't want to like do something, be like writing music and never even listening to it, unless you're Beethoven, right? Like you want to listen to what you made. Make sure it works.
It's a movie? Oh! Never seen
I've never seen it
before.
either.
17 never seen it before.
It has like one of my favorite actors, which I never remember his name. But he's my favorite. He's in Guy Pearce. I think that's his name. Yeah. I really like that guy in LA Confidential. That movie's good. That movie's like real good. Highly recommend it. At first, like when it came out, when I saw the things in the theaters, I was like, I don't want to watch a movie about like the 1950s or whatever the fuck, you know. But then like I eventually watched it like on VHS or something like that. Probably like, I don't know, maybe my girlfriend at the time made me watch it. And I was like, damn, this movie's freaking good. So yeah, it's a good watch. I highly recommend it. But I'm sure like Memento is good too, right? So it doesn't need to be perfect in there because this thing like it's gonna whip out of there like right away. Like this. And be like,
It's a movie? Oh!
oh. So I can have it stop here. So we can have it like, I think not having it grow past her reading it is a good move. You know what I'm saying?
It's a movie? Oh! Never seen that before. 17 has never seen it before.
And a lot of times, like, if I want to, like, I'll keep it out if she's, like, replying to it. And then, like, then I'll make it go away. Especially if she's, like, talking. Because I like the swoosh sounds. I'm sorry. So, oh, it's gone. See? So I can either just, like, have it fade away. Or it's probably the best thing to do. What I used to do is, like, this at the end and just go like this. And I can get away with that fade. Just go like that. I don't know why I like this song. I'm gonna turn it up a bit. This is like free music too. I'm gonna start at the beginning. It doesn't start off very good, but then like usually like a song has to hook me in the first like shoot. Like 5 seconds. But this one like it kind of hits like, you know, 30 seconds in. Maybe a minute in. It's like you should have had that like you should have had that feel at the beginning.
Yeah! Is it scary? What kind of movie is it? It's very crazy. Oh. It's very crazy.
Did I fuck up? This isn't the song, it's this one. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this song. My bad. I thought I hit the back button and it went to the previous song and didn't start at the beginning. My bad. Same thing goes with this song. I probably just like picked up on like how good it was. Like when I scan songs to put on stream or whatnot, I'll skip through it to make sure that like, you know, it's kind of good, you know, at the beginning, the end, and in the middle. What video editing software is this? I thought it was Premiere with the plugins, but it definitely isn't. Yeah, this here is, I never used Premiere, but I'm on Linux, and there's only like a few editing software you can use, but one of the top ones is Kdenlive, and that's what this is. This be Kdenlive. I wanted to try DaVinci Resolve, but it was like garbage on this, on Linux. Like you can't like even like move the window around or anything like that, or change the size of the text, which you really can't really do on this one either. But yeah, I can show you like Kdenlive, like garbage. I got tons of windows open. I'm a window enjoyer. I gotta figure out how to like get rid of this too. So this is Kdenlive, or not Kdenlive, DaVinci Resolve here. Like I couldn't figure out like how to use any of this shit. Yeah, I can't move this window. Like, it's garbage. For Mac at least, I have no experience with Linux. Yeah, I can't even fucking move this. I can't move this window. Like, what the hell, dude? I don't even know how to uninstall it. It's probably be a pain in the butt. Uninstalling stuff on Linux is a pain in the ass. Unless it's like an app image. But I think I had to like use a specific I don't even know, man. I just got over it. It's like I really wanted to try it, but I was like, damn it. But I use Kdenlive on Windows and on Linux. But I see some people's editing stuff. So you see my cat, like right here. Oh, there's a delay. Hold on 1 second. Shoot. There's a way to get rid of this delay. OBS is also trash. So I'm actually capturing this with a capture card. So my cat here, like there's like people that can like get the outline. I guess it'll like delete the background and get the outline of this. I really want that option. Because I can do like a way more stuff, but I don't know, like sometimes like with this, it's just, I feel like it just takes me forever to do things, and I see other people like push stuff out a lot faster, and I wonder if it's just like the software like Premiere. Yeah. But I don't know. I never really used like any other like, the only like editing software I've used digitally is basically this and my iPhone, like the iPhone iMovie. And that had like some cool things, like you can like bring an image and bring it across and stuff with relative ease in iMovie. Craft Computing, I don't know if you know that guy, but he does like Linux, well not Linux stuff, but he does like he likes making like he mostly what he does is like take old I think it's probably 80% just knowing how to edit, the other 20% is knowing the software. I don't edit that often. Yeah, that could be it too. I mean, I think sometimes like these effects are, I don't know like what all the effects are here, but the main one they have is like this. Is this what's it called? So the transform's like your main one. So I can go in here. It allows me to change the size of stuff, and I can do it on keyframes and stuff. So like I set a keyframe there. At the beginning of these, sometimes I like fading them in, but I also just like, sometimes I just pull them out. Like this one's very chat heavy. Where's Crazy Movie? So it's a very crazy movie. It doesn't have to be perfect there. But then I'll bring it out here. And see, Control Shift, I know this will make it small. And then like these keyframes here. So all I can do is like kind of rotate it. I can't even like, I have to like get on this keyframe here. And here is where I'd have to rotate it. So I have to immediately get off of this. Come back to here and rotate it. I can't rotate it here. This only does like the sizes. And then like to go back to there, I gotta do 0. But then I can't have it like come out. You know what I'm saying? Like you can do like the perspective things with some transforms where like you kind of like, I could show it on this. So like with my cat here, and this is at Krita, and okay, I'm on this here. So what do I hit? Control? I think I hit Control. So Control will allow me to do that. So I can't do that on Kden Live that I know of. So I like to be able to do something like this also. And I don't know, I was wondering if I can drop shadows. Like, can I drop shadows on Kden Live? Having some shadows would be cool. Add a drop shadow.
Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be about how to add a shadow to a transparent image such as a PNG or a transparent video would work as well.
I guess we could do that.
So first of course you're going to need your transparent image, and I'm also going to make a background. So project, add title clip, and mine is just going to be this light green. You'll notice I have 3 tracks here for a video. You'll need at least 3. You'll need 3, and then, well, if you want more, be my guest, you know.
Yeah, I was wondering to add shadows.
So first I'm going to add my PNG on top. And what you'll notice is that is quite big, and I don't want it that big, so I will just add a transform effect
and like the main
make it smaller. Then once my clip does everything I want, like size-wise and maybe movement-wise as well, like if you want it to pop out, you should do it now. So I'll just do that actually quickly. So 1% at the beginning.
Oh yeah.
Smooth, and it's gonna be quite fast. And I'll just copy and paste my clip so that I have 2 clips doing exactly the same thing.
Oh my God.
I will just hide the top one because I want to see what I'm doing on the bottom one. I'm gonna add brightness.
There's like some things too, like if I can have like sometimes if I'm working on like 2 different things at the same time, like you can have multi-view. Yeah, I can show here. Like it'd be okay. So I can do multi-view. You can see like all the things that I have here. Yeah, you can do a perspective shift with the distort too. Yeah. But these are the 3 things here. But it'd be nice if like I could have like a 3rd option of like them all together, so I can know what the fuck's going on. But they don't have that. Like, you think you'd be able to have it like in the clip monitor? Maybe I'll add that suggestion. Because I'm like adding like crazy stuff like all together usually. Like I like to do like multiple streams, put them together. It could be like the preview of like, especially, it'd be kind of similar to like broadcast software where you can have like, you see what's happening on one camera and on the other camera, and then like you'll have your finished product. But yeah, like the clip, it just has like whatever you just like touch over here. Like that'll be your clip. But also like, let's say your clip is this sequence, which I was hoping to get around if I looking at a sequence, but it just becomes multi-monitor. FML.
It's very crazy.
Yeah. You can do a perspective shift with the distortion tool. Distortion tool? On here? No, this is like the frequency and shit. I'm pretty sure.
It's very...
Yeah, they just made that a frequency. Unless you're talking about some other... Probably linear transform. Yeah, I'll look that up next. Kind of been wanting to do these shadows. Actually, I want to close this. I don't have too many of these. Where the fuck was I? Is it up here? Okay.
And I'm also gonna add grayscale. So the grayscale will make my shadow gray, and the brightness will make it like either black or gray or white or whatever color you want in the grayscale spectrum, of course. So I like it pretty dark, so I'm just gonna keep it here. And then I'm gonna need to add some blur, so blur. And the only one that works with transparent images is box blur, so I'm just gonna select it. There's two of them, only one of them is the good one.
This is way too
so
much
if you
shit.
can't find the good one, just try again. I don't really like box blur because it looks weird when it's at a high value, but when it's low, it's okay. Especially since it's gonna be mostly hidden here, so yeah. Just choose a value that
like
seems okay.
shadow.
And then if you show the top track again, you'll see the difference. And yeah, okay. You can also make your shadow move in the background.
That's why I want to check out like another one. I can't do, like, WTF, man, like, for real? What's the upside to having Linux? The upside is I can be like, oh, I use Linux. Oh, you use Windows and Mac? Well, I use Linux. I think the only real upside is like development, like programming wise. So like, also like most of them aren't going to be tracking your shit. Although like maybe, I don't think they do for this one. So you won't have like a, you know, like a bunch of spyware on your computer that's, you know, from corporate. Yeah. I feel desperate. Well, there's like pluses and minuses in Mac. So Mac is kind of similar to Linux, right? Because it's Unix based. But it's Mac. I own an iPhone, man. I also own an iPad. I love them. I love them. I love them a lot. Yeah, so like, well, this upscale is also available like on Windows. So I use this tool a lot. I'm wanting to like, I do some programming on this, and it's nicer to use Linux on it. And it just seems like I have like more control over my computer. So like I have built-in programs I just easily, you know, put in and have installed. There's also other programs that I use to like download stuff that are only like, they seem to only really work in Linux. That's why I like Linux. Although it's like, it does seem like there's a workaround. You have to have a workaround for everything. It's kind of a pain in the butt in that aspect. Like, I got Whisper on here, which is used to, what's it called? Like, I can use it to make subs. It's an AI that will transcribe whatever's on here. So whatever Henya says, it'll just transcribe it. And that's kind of nice. Although it's kind of finicky at the same time. Yeah, I've been daily driving basically Linux since 2018. Yeah. But I still don't know. I'm not like an expert or anything like that. Setting up a server is like real easy too. Like I can just set up a server. Heck, I can set up like a computer that will make servers on the fly. So I have like one that's like, which I'm gonna have like a stream where I do that, where it will like actually power on servers. Well, it won't power it on because I don't have that option. But it will actually, when I turn them on, it will actually like install like an OS on it, and it can get going like right away. Like I can start installing software on it and then like building stuff with it. So I'll have one of those, like a PXE like server build.
It's there.
Oh yeah, yeah. So her shadow thing, I'm not gonna do it. It's just like, what the fuck, dude? There should just be like a shadow, and you just be like, okay, I wanted to, you know, have it come out. Shadow. Oh, wait a second. What the fuck? I've been killing myself over this for this long. Shoot me in the face, please. It did it for me. Can I make it like blurry? Fuck yeah. I could have it come out too. Where's the radius and shit? I thought it was in here. Did it just not do anything? So blur radius. Probably gotta be careful with this one. I'm sure like the manual probably says it, but there's just like so much shit. It's like, like I typed, yeah, what I do, like I typed in like a shadow. Can I drop shadows in Kden Live? It comes up with this, the first thing. I don't want a video. Here we go. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, this is Kden Live. Well, also like, you know, this shit's like a steep learning curve, so I was so afraid to start editing on this thing. It's like, I just want iMovie. But then there's like things like, okay, so they have like face tracking, but it's not installed like right away. You can do like tracking stuff with it. But then I have to like install, like open, what's it called? Not OpenAI, but let's look at face tracking in the user manual. OpenCV. It's like, so you can do like the motion tracker. And they show this shit. But then you gotta like install OpenCV. I tried like doing this stuff. It might have been my fault because I might have done it in like Windows if I remember correctly. But you gotta install like OpenCV. If you want to build Kden Live yourself, you need to build OpenCV support. Okay, so let's I think I tried this before, so OpenCV models. I want to get this Dacium. Okay. You like effects, motion tracker. I'm just showing you all this shit that like sucks. This sucks. This is why. Okay, so I got to analyze. Ooh, wait a second. Make sure. Okay, let's do this here. The other one's way too big. Let's go back over here. So rectangle, this is the rectangle tracker algorithm. Did it do it? I don't even know if it did it. Doesn't look like it. Maybe it should be in that one. How did motion tracker go on all these? Okay, there we go. Did you do it? Is there a confirmation? I'm not seeing a confirmation or nothing. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. So that box should be like around her face. And it should be blurring it. Because that's on the bottom. So yeah, no idea what happened. Oh, there we go. So yeah, wait. There you go. Does it work, right? I think it says something about how to get it to work. It's like copy and paste it from somewhere else. But it's just like, I wish I could like write, if you could allow me to like write, and I wrote this in there, I was like, can we like write plugins for this shit? I'm appreciating Mac and Adobe. You guys so much right now. This seems like so much going on at once. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. I'm sure they do some video editing, but I mean, these are mostly like people that do open source are like, they're like programmers first, right? For the most part. I think Krita here, I think they have people that are not just programmers, not just developers. So they actually have like artists that have like a lot of input. So I think their UI, although confusing at first, is pretty darn good. And then, now I don't have this one, but what's that one like everybody uses, that 3D modeling? Blender. I think they have like actual artists on there, yeah. So they have like actual artists as part of the development. But hell, like I tried using Blender and I was like, how the fuck do I get around on this? I had like no idea. But I don't do like any 3D modeling. Although I might have to. I might have to. But I've done FreeCAD. Oh, FreeCAD's like awful. Tinkercad's like the easiest like CAD stuff, like you can just pick up and go. It's stupid simple. .3D a piece of cake. Yeah, I mostly do like Linux for programming, so like I usually use code. Yeah, I get used to Blender. It honestly isn't that hard. It's overwhelming at first, but keyboard shortcuts are the key. Yeah. Yeah, so I do like programming on this. And it's pretty easy to set up and get going and write your own programs, and then you can like have stuff in the terminal where you install stuff. And I'm a graphics designer. I don't mess with 3D often. Yeah, everybody's like, use GIMP. I've like never tried using GIMP. I've always just like, I've used like Krita. I guess it has like pretty good like trackpad like support. Like these are like pressure sensitive. Actually, I have a, what is it? Not a trackpad, but just like a, you know, like a pad with a pencil. So like, I got that. And I think like this one's like pressure support right here. Where is it at? I think I'm missing some shit. It feels like it. Brush presets. Digital. Go to all. I feel like this one here. So you can kind of like give it a little light scrub. And then like really go deep and stuff. Those drawing pads are awesome. I'm in art school and that's all I use for digital drawing. Yeah. I wish I could like, yeah, this is just like a touchpad thing where you can also like, where you have like the draw. I wish I had like one that was like on a screen. Actually, I kind of do. I got an old Surface Pro. Well, it's actually a Surface Book. Yeah. Only thing I really don't like about this one is the magic wand. It's kind of a pain in the butt. But there's probably worse ones out there. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure. Because if I was trying to do like a, like if it had like some sort of, yeah, this is already like free on its own. But there's some of them that you can now just, what the hell's that shit? Oh, it took me forever to figure out like how to like, to do like letters, like with this outline. Like you had to go to like layer style. Like, okay, so I could have done this, like with Henya here. Oh, I gotta deselect this. Oh, thanks for the follow there, Analytic Mind. They could be cheap. I got one for $60 and I had it a couple years. Fuyong tablets are nice. Yeah. So this is how like you can do like a shadow and stroke and all that. So here, this is just on Henya. If I do a stroke, I'll put that stroke around here. It starts off with multiply for some odd reason. I usually like normal. Yeah, that's a little better. And then you can like, you can change its color or whatnot. Be like, oh, I want like this many pixels. I wonder if you can do like a gradient. Color, oh, gradient. So, okay, do that one. Radial? Yeah. Ooh. That's pretty. You're like, I never really, you can do like a pattern overlay. You put like Henya in with some of this shit. Is that Ubuntu? Yeah, yeah. Well, actually, sort of is. This is Pop OS. Actually, I like the new Ubuntu. I don't like how like the this Pop OS is working. I like the previous I like the 2000s. Like I like the 20.4, 22.4. I don't like as much. I do like that they use flat packs though. I'm not like completely sold on them. But there is like software that I use that uses that. So yeah. It's hit or miss with it. So I think the flat packs are used with this, but I don't download the flat pack. I just get the app image. Well, I got both, to be honest with you. Yeah. What's a satin? Satan. So you can do like crazy stuff like this with it. The drop shadow is one of them. It's not that crazy. So you have a drop shadow, and then you can do like the distance. Like for my, when I did like the laser beams, if you see my banner, I did the drop shadow with that. I really like that. You can't really see it with this stroke. Here. And we'll do like a black multiply, we'll just give it 0 anyway. So we'll make it normal. Do a spread. What's going on with Henya, man? You should be seeing something. Okay, I barely see something. A big distance, and if we have it going like that, there he goes. Boom. That's the shadow. Yeah, it took me a while to like, I was like, man, why can't I freaking do like an outline stroke with these like these letters? I would just use this the whole time because I was using my phone to make my thumbs. But now I like this. The only thing I miss with my that I was using on my making thumbs with on my iPhone is that I was using Epic, right? And like you can like go in and like just erase parts of it, and it'll kind of like have an AI fill in like what's missing, and it was okay. It was okay. But also what I love about iPhone, and it works like 80% of the time, is that you can go in there and be like, you can hold on to, like, if you have an image and you just like press your finger or thumb, like let's say on this one, on the cat, like it'll pull the cat out. And then you can hit like, I think like save to or something like that. And then you could save an image and it'll like basically just pull this out and save it to like your phone as something else. Yeah, I kind of miss that option. And I don't know if there's like another way to kind of do that. I'll have to figure out like how to find software for that, because it's there. I'm sure there's something there that's free, right? It might not have like a user interface or anything, but I'm sure, or like a very good one, but I'm sure there's one that's out there that's free, but it's buried due to the dead internet. Yeah, because you can't find shit any longer on the internet. That was my rant on the dead internet. Yeah, I like Pop OS. I also like Ubuntu. I always go back to them. I like the Ubuntu Budgie. I really like that one a lot.
It's a movie? Oh.
Ooh, what the fuck? Okay, so... Oh. I gotta be careful with this one here. That's about as dangerous as it gets. There we go.
It's a movie? Oh. Oh, never seen that before. 17 has never seen it before. Yeah, it's...
No. No, 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 no. Oh, cool, thanks. I think there's another guy that does this. He was like showing how to set up like your VTuber on Linux. And I was gonna have my streaming PC Linux, and OBS just kept on crashing on me. OBS like constantly crashing on me. Like I could not use it. So my streaming PC is Windows, which is a damn shame because I was wanting to put AI. I was wanting to do like voice shit with it, which I don't think I think it would be like a lot harder to set up on Windows. I was wanting to do like voice changing shit. Yeah. Because like if it's Windows, someone's gonna try to sell it to you. You know what I'm saying? And where you can find like a free and open source thing for Linux.
Yeah, is it scary? What kind of movie is it? It's very crazy. Oh.
Very crazy. Oh, I forgot the drop shadow. What the hell? Did I do drop shadow on all these? Okay. Let's see how this looks. Let's see. Oh yeah. When I was doing the drop shadow just a bit ago, it was acting funky. Right? Like, what are the offsets? It's not doing anything.
It's
Was I changing my voice to a lolly? Shh, it was gonna be a woman, and I was gonna be like, it's gonna pick up like this one. Hold on a second. You ever seen like the manga that like this kid's like watching this his favorite VTuber, and he's like, this VTuber is awesome. It's like, she's like the best in Japan, and she's my Oshi. And his mom's like, hey, like Same or whatever the heck his name is, like, hey, can you tell your dad to come tell your dad that it's dinner time? And he's like, sure thing, mom. And then like walks in the room, and his dad's like in a full like what's it called? He's in a full he's in a full tracking outfit, and like he sees like his dad like performing, like doing, like his dad is his favorite VTuber. I think he has like voice changing software and all that stuff. Oh, it's freaking hilarious. Oh yeah, it is so funny, man. It is like one of the funniest, like, I think it got canceled though. So I posted it like, okay, on Crunchyroll. They're showing like, they have like a VTuber anime out now. And they had like a thing for their, you know how they put like a preview or trailer. Trailer's like the best word for that. What? Do you want me to go back? You want me to go back? I can go back for you. Okay, I think it's a... Man, I can't believe how many likes I got on this. I got 618 likes. I was like, they should have made an anime where the kid finds out that his dad is the most popular VTuber in Japan. I think someone wrote like it's... Okay, where is it? Kaguya-sama, maybe? Let's look that up. Oh, no, it's not. What the fuck? That's not it. So, dad is a VTuber. Maybe it's that. My father became a VTuber. Should I go here? Go here. Don't tell anybody I was here. So I think they canceled it. Oh, it's complete in 2019. So this, I don't know if it was this chapter, but this is like the funniest thing ever. A person who streams using an avatar as a 2D or 3D characters. Oh, look, it's Kizuki Yai-chan. VTubers are often actually guys, but rumor has it that this girl is actually a hottie IRL. I think most VTubers are girls. Takashi, call your father to come out for dinner. Geez, what a nice setup. Hey, Dad. As always, today I want to give everybody a big thank you, Kyun. As always, everybody's sweetheart, What happened, Yaikun? Is someone there? It's even funnier with this here. Is that his mom tries to get into it? I don't think these are very big. Yeah, they're like 22. Oh, I didn't mean to actually delete that completely. But his mom starts getting into it too. And she like freaking, everybody's like calling her a man. Cause she like, you're actually a man, aren't you? Yeah. And she's like yelling and arguing with him. It's pretty funny. And like the person that sold her like the VTuber like tracking equipment's like bashing her too, like in the chat. It's like, you're definitely a man. I don't think he knew he sold her that.
It's very crazy.
Yeah. That would have been a perfect anime. That would have been perfect. Yeah. So if I understand correctly, you're using Windows for OBS and VTube Studio while editing on Linux. Yes. That is correct. I tried. I honestly tried, but it was like so unstable, like, and with streams, you need to have like stability for real. Like, and I don't know if it was like I was trying to do like exact same setup that I was having before, and it could have just been like all the. I think I use like 2 plugins. Do I use 2 or just 1? I think I use 1. Yeah. I really wanted it. Like, yeah, because I'm dual streaming right now, and one goes to YouTube, one goes to Twitch. I didn't feel so bad since what is this? The Primogen, he freaking uses Windows to stream. I was like, okay, that's good. All right, so blur radius. Now I'm just so confused here. Like, why? None of these values are changing. And the shadow that was there is gone.
It's very crazy.
Oh, I guess it was there. There we go.
It's very.
Yeah.
It's.
Yeah, it's like not fucking doing anything. Shadow. There it is there. What the fuck? Okay. Oh. Okay, it's there. So, yeah, FML, man. Way to go, Caden. Like, drop shadow work on Caden Live. Bring the offsets back down. I think it's too far away. It didn't seem like this value is not even moving. Yeah, I think it's just done broke. Have to report a bug or something. Your stuff is garbage. It is unusable. Yeah, that's why I want to try Premiere. I want to try Premiere. Some things I just like, I don't want to have workarounds with, right? I just want to just have it fucking work. There we go.
It's very crazy. Oh. I had never seen a lot of movies before. I never seen a...
Actually, I got to use the restroom. I'm only 33 seconds in. Yeah. It'll be about a minute. I'll put on some hard rock here. Again. And I'll have it play in the background. I'll have this playing too.
Anyone seen Memento? What's that? Is that anime or something? No, never seen it. You're fine, Henya. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you, Dale. Thank you, Dale. It's a movie? Oh! Never seen that before. 17 has never seen it before. Yeah! Is it scary? What kind of movie is it? It's very crazy. Oh. I had never seen a lot of movies before. I never seen a lot of movies. Never seen Star Wars. I never seen Spider-Man, Superman. I guess like when it comes to Marvel, I never seen it a lot. And also I never seen it. I think any kind of classic movie, I never really seen it. Have you seen the Lord of the Rings? No, I have never. Hobbit, Lord of the Ring, I never seen it. I know probably it's something about ring, but I don't know what the story is. I'm pretty sure it's something has to be with a ring. Yeah. You need to? Yeah, people have been telling me about it. I want to watch it. It's about Elden Ring. The Elden Ring. It's a romance? Wait, what? It is the Lord of the Ring? Hi. Oh, but I watched one of the classic movies called Titanic. Yeah, I watched Titanic for like a few months ago. Yeah.
I'm back. Gotta get rid of this BRB. Yeah. This song reminds me of Van Halen. Not this song. This song here reminds me of Diablo. Because it's Diablo. No, this is The Witcher. My bad.
It's very crazy.
I think that large zoom in kind of sucks. I think... Ooh. Already having it kind of large would be good.
It's very crazy.
Maybe... Oh, I should have used the control shift. Ah, fudge. So here I can do like a control shift.
It's very crazy.
Okay, and then at the end of this, I can make it a little bigger. So maybe a slight zoom in.
It's very crazy. Oh.
Or zoom out.
I had never seen a lot of movies before. I never seen a lot of movies. Never seen Star Wars. I never seen Spider-Man, Superman. I guess like when it comes to Marvel, I never seen it a lot. And also I never seen it. I think any kind of classic movie, I never really seen it. Have you seen the Lord of the Rings? No, I have never.
Okay. What's this fade and shit? Okay. You seen the Lord of the Flies? Oh, fudge. There we go. That's what I was looking for. And we'll take it out here. Oh. Whatever the heck, like... Oh, yes. Sweet.
Have you seen the Lord of the Rings? No, I have never.
Okay. So here we'll come in. Control Shift. And then we'll do like a make it small. There we go. So it's gonna be that big, but here I'm gonna start off with an angle. Oops. There we go.
Have you seen the Lord of the Rings? No, I have never. Hobbit, Lord of the Ring? I never seen it. I know probably it's something about ring, but I don't know what the story is. I'm pretty sure it's something has to be with a ring. Yeah. Don't know what the story is. Lord of the Ring? I never seen it.
I'm gonna cut this part out.
I know probably it's something about ring, but I don't know what the story is.
Maybe not.
I'm pretty sure it's something has to be with a ring. Yeah.
I'm gonna zoom in on her on this one. I gotta spice it up. See, there's behind the curtain. Behind the curtain right there. So I gotta make this exactly the same. I have her offset a little bit with this on there, but then what I did is I have an image in between here, because she has chat on here. It's going up, but I covered it up with this image here. So I gotta make this one bigger. What the fuck did I just do? I don't want to have. Oh my god, what's this? Oh my goodness. So I gotta. Okay, so I kind of messed up there. I gotta copy this. I'm fine. Okay, so I gotta copy this and then bring it over here. And then do that. Now I'm gonna delete this. I don't know what's going on over here. There's something going on here. Oh.
Konosuba? Oh my goodness. Of course I love Konosuba! Of course I love Konosuba!
Yeah, so that's way down there. what'll be smart for me to do.
Ne.
So here, actually like kind of cutting it off here is a smart thing. And then here, yeah, just make this 100 again. There we go. So now, if I just delete that, I think I don't have to worry about any of these. Okay, so this one here looks like I had to delete that and then delete that. So it'll like, because if I set those, oh, what are they called? Keyframes down there, it'll slowly move it, like zoom stuff in and out. So, but if I don't have them set, then I don't really have to worry about it. I don't have to like change values all the time. See, if I go back over here now, what the? That's not what I expected. Okay, this one should be gone. There we go. So now all the way in, it'll be like this forever. So it makes it easier to like kind of edit those stuff in. That I do that. So this here is a 190 zoom. I need to do a 190 zoom also on this. The problem is it's not really like lined up. Damn, that's like way too close. Let's check something here. Yeah, so I think like a 1, I can't tell what's going on at all. I guess I could, okay, so that one's covered. So I gotta move that over as long as it's like, there we go, to the background. So now I gotta move this over, which oop, wrong one. Okay, Control-Shift-E. So this one here, I gotta move over. Boo, 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 boo. Of course, since it's covered up with chat, it doesn't really matter, but someone might see like that, might edit and be like, what the heck? The only bad thing about this here is that these things, these hexagons, they change color. They go to white to purple. And darker, look at that, see? Yeah. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure something has to be with a ring. Ne. Yes. I'm pretty sure something has to be with a ring. Ne. Yeah.
So I guess I could do like a slow zoom out. I guess I can do so here, yeah, 100.
I'm pretty sure something has to be with a ring. Ne. Yeah. Ne, you need to? Yep.
And then, yeah. So I need to copy these. See, these are my swishing noises. And then... You have to? You need to? So they're like, you have to? I think it's this one. She doesn't necessarily like read from chat exactly what it says.
Ne, you...
Do 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 do. And we'll start from like a. There we go. Which one's this? This -4. Let's do -2. That one's 2. But we're also gonna zoom out 1. And in this one, then they're gonna throw away. Ring. We'll make this down to 0. So there we go.
You need to? Yeah, people have been telling me.
I hate it. So let's make this 1. And then this one, -1. There we go.
You need to? Yeah, people have been telling me about it. I want to watch it. I want to watch it. It's about Elden Ring. The Elden Ring. It's about Elden Ring. Elden Ring. The Elden Ring.
All right, so we'll do the same thing. Oh, might as well just do the paste here. Okay. Boo, boo, boo. Let's go to the beginning of this. So this clock back. It'll set me at the very beginning. It goes to the next keyframe to the left. Yeah. And then we'll do this. In the middle, Control-Shift. This makes it big. We'll do a -1.
It's about Elden Ring. The Elden Ring.
Now that one there, like when she goes, that'd be good, like zoom in on her face, right? Get that face. So I'll kind of, we'll go back. And yeah, this might be interesting. This might be interesting. Let's find it. Let's see what I can kind of do artistically. So here, before, what I would do too. Actually, there we go. There we go. We'll do like a. Sometimes I just like have it go back in like that. So here.
It's about. I want to watch it. It's about Elden Ring.
I'll do like a zoom in on her face, right? Of course, I made it harder because I have this backdrop that's trying to cover up chat. We do like 158, and then we'll go back here. We'll go here. Go put that in. And it looks like it's there. So what was this? It's 158. Let's do one. Like have a multiple of 5 is good. So we would do 160. You don't get like a crazy percentage there, so that's why I typically do it. Like it'll round at some crazy percentage for some odd reason. Yeah. For some odd reason. And then move this out.
It's about Elden Ring. The Elden Ring.
So that, like, since I'm zoomed in too, yeah, I can do like, kind of like.
It's about Elden Ring.
Here. Okay, so those are both like that. So, but I can also do it with this too. And then this one. All right, let's go back up. Okay, now, since I already have like this transform doing something, it could be kind of messy to move it back. So like, let's say like, okay, let me give an example. When I'm talking like this, maybe I want to have it like staying out, like right here.
Elden Ring.
But
The
see that?
Elden Ring.
It's moving. Not good. So, kind of like a way around this. Kind of a way around this. This is the way around it. You put another transform there. Of course. Of course. So maybe have it behind it. So before I work up here, right? But that was with stuff that's already kind of like zoomed in, I found out. So if you have something that's already kind of zoomed in, then you can like put one on top. It seems to work okay. But for some odd reason, yeah. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. So maybe this one here will work better since I put it behind. Usually if it's like already zoomed in, you can kind of like do stuff with it, it seems. But yeah, I've had problems with it lately when it's not completely zoomed out. I don't know if I'm I don't know if I'm clear as mud or what, but yeah. Let's hope this works. So we're already here. All right, and then we're gonna go here. And for this one here, oh. Yeah, it doesn't work. It's not working. Before I treated like this as a whole. All right. But not here. Not here. Then that makes me sad. I guess like a way around this though would be to make this a sequence. Or is so you can create a sequence. Where's sequence? Where do you at sequence? Can I do a sequence with this? Save clip part to bin, add a reference. Why is there no sequence? Create sequence from selection. I guess I cannot create a sequence from selection. Never mind. Forget everything that I said. I was hoping to like kind of like
Elden Ring.
push everything out. Like push it away.
The Elden Ring. It's a romance? Wait.
Yeah. I'm sad. I'm sad. Screw this, man. What song is this? Is this still Witcher? It is. I kind of want to play Skyrim. I want to be like the, you know, the cat race. I never played the cat race. I kind of want to do that. Oy, 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 oy. Should I put my face on here? My handsome face. There we go. I'll be conceited. All right. Pictures. We'll do this retarded one. Upscale, yeah. Fail to find source. Oh, there's the problem. I couldn't find the source. That was that OpenCV thing that I was talking about earlier. What the hell is this? I've been going around with that up. Oh man, I am professional. What is this? Professional here. Where's the crop? Oh, wait a second. Okay, so crop pad. Is it left? No. This should be crop. Okay. Okay. No. Oh, I know what's going on. I know exactly what's going on. What's that? There we go. There we go. I was wondering, I didn't see it before, so I was wondering what the hell's going on. But I have my buttons all up there too, so. Would 100 work? Okay, 125. There we go. There we go. All right, sorry about that.
It's a rope.
Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about the scuff. Ooh, I don't like that. Look at that. It's awful. I didn't see that before. It doesn't show it here. Let's see what happens when I put it in here. That's not too bad. So I gotta put a thing on here too. So we'll start from here. And then we'll do this. And then we'll get rid of this. Bring it over.
It's a romance. It's a romance?
What the hell's going on with this? So this here has something going on.
It's a romance?
Do 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 do. Then we'll go like that. And then here, there's no music. Go to the next one. Bring it back. But for this,
Wait.
whoa. Oops.
It's a romance? Wait, what? It is? The Road of the Ring? Hi. Oh, but I watched one of the classic movies. It's called Titanic. Yeah, I watched Titanic for like a few months ago.
Oh, I didn't catch her say that.
Yeah.
So, okay, I've been grabbing movie pictures too. So, Titanic. Do I have Titanic here? No. So. Titanic. What the hell's going on here? Oh. What was the ship that crashed with the Titanic? Or no. That submarine that crashed recently? Sub. Yeah, we use this. Oh yeah, dude. Too soon. We use this one. We use this one. Titan. There we go. So that saved here. It should have saved already. Oh, wait a second. It saved. Those are my pictures. Let's go ahead and use this one again. We'll go to desktop. I have everything saved on my desktop. As to do Henya. Talks anime. Movie images. QRS Titanic. There we go. Oh, I could have just grabbed it. My man. This is one way to do it. There we go. Fudge.
Yeah. Oh, but I watched one of the classic movies. It's called Titanic. Yeah, I watched Titanic. It's called Titanic.
There, I'll bring it in here. And I'll use like the swoosh out. Control C, Control V. Actually, I just did paste. So this here. Come on. Boo. We'll have it fade in.
Titanic.
And then
Titanic. Yeah, I watched Titanic for like a few months ago. Yeah. でもあれ見たことあるタイタニック。
I'm zoomed in still. Dino King, I hear. You hear?
Hi.
I'm still zoomed in for some odd reason.
There he is. I'm pretty sure something has to be with a ring. Hi. It's about Elden Ring. The Elden Ring. It's a romance? Wait, what? It is the Road of the Ring? Hi.
So I gotta move this back. I gotta move this back. I gotta move it back. I gotta move it back. Emphasize on I gotta move it back.
Oh, but I watched one of the classic movies. It's called Titanic. Yeah, I watched Titanic for like a few months ago. Yeah. でもあれ見たことある、タイタニック。
Okay, so kind of working around this a bitty poo because I don't want to like go through all that hassle again of having to line that stuff up. Oh, ship. This one here. Boom. Make sure I did this right over here too. Alright, it's good.
Yeah. でもあれ見たことある、タイタニック。タララララララララ。Yeah. Also, I watched. Or give me some famous movie, and I'll answer if I watch it or not.
Okay.
Some famous movie. Or give me some famous. Give me some.
There we go. There we go. You are here. Never fear. Do 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 do
Famous
do.
movie.
That's like my favorite. Like, I think it's like All Might says something similar to that. Freaking All Might, dude. I gotta watch that again. What I gotta do is start watching My Hero Academia from season 1 and just start like watching it again from the beginning, and then just run through all the
Give me
seasons.
some famous movie, and I'll answer if I watch it or not. Can you give me some like a famous movie title? Is there any?
Is there any? No. We're fresh out.
Is there any?
Okay, now she's reading.
Surprise ending?
So, surprise ending. The person's referring to the Titanic.
Surprise ending? No, never seen it.
It took me a while, but I was like, oh. I was like, what is surprise ending? I never heard of that. But they're talking about Titanic.
Surprise ending?
It took me a second. I'll bring that in here. Here we go.
Surprise ending? No, never seen it. Matrix?
Matrix. Mattress. All right. Matrix, yeah. Almost sounds like mattress. Yeah. Her pronunciation can be kind of off at times. Like she still calls Michi Mochi. It's never gonna ever stop. She's like, I got permission to call her Mochi, so it's okay. It's funny. Matrix. Yeah, she's allowed it. Yeah, she's definitely allowed. I kind of feel sorry for her in many respects, because she first learned English, and then like because she lived on army bases and stuff, and then she started going to Japanese schools and was like wanted to learn Japanese. Basically had her mom like, you had to speak Japanese at home all the time. And she says like she regrets having her mom do that. Her mom was like, you're gonna regret it. Oops. But yeah, she gets a pass. She gets an ESL pass. This is like totally gone. Matrix. I'll kind of put that there. There we go.
Matrix never. Matrix never.
So here, I kind of want to have it like move around and stuff. Okay, so I can do something like this here. And like here. Yeah. Learned English, then learned Japanese, then she moved to the States again and wanted to learn English again. Yeah. I don't know how long she lived in the States for though. That's okay, I don't need to know. Fuck. I messed this up. I wanted to end up here. This is like rapid fire. I don't know how well this is gonna work.
Matrix never seen.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I've been flipping these too. I mean, like, okay, I'd say flipping, but I've been doing this. So whatever's on the top of it will overlay the bottom. But I set everything up with the movie on top at first. Yeah. So I gotta like fix that. I guess we can have it like this and then have this one kind of coming in. This.
Matrix never.
Oh my god, that looks awful. What I should have done. I think they were like. Ooh. So let's keep on going. Oop.
Never. Matrix.
I think I will have this kind of zooming out. Nope. I keep on forgetting Control Shift Z. And then this one, it's kind of moving to the side.
Matrix never seen it.
I think that's good for now. Now I gotta switch these fuckers. There we go. I guess we'll start them here. Maybe they should end here. How about that? So like this here could be like, I want this one bigger though, so I can control shift this one. And then this one can be bigger too. But they'll end there, right? And so here, it'll be kind of like this, and have it come out maybe over a little bit, and then this one here. I was hoping like to have a shadow. So this here, let's see if this works. This might be like short-lived, because I think I'm just taking too much time on this.
Terminator, never seen it.
Yeah. This is already complicated enough. I think. Yeah. Fudge. Oop, I hit the wrong key. Oh, fudge. Okay. Already out there. And this one here. Goodbye. Alright, let's save this. Last thing I need is this thing crashing on me. Yeah, I gotta go through like all of these, and I don't think I can. I mean, the time it's 11:51. Yeah, this is taking me way too long. I mean, I'll keep them in there right now.
Alien, never seen it.
But what I'll do, like, this is my like, this is my cheat one.
Alien. Alien, never seen it. Jaws, I have seen it. Terminator 2, nope. Harry Potter, yes, I have.
Let's keep the swooshes in. I didn't even do it for those other ones. So what's probably smart of me to do here is to kind of do I don't know, like factorizing it, like kind of just do one thing over and over again. That is like place these things in here. Right.
Dark Knight? Oh, the Batman? Yeah, yes, I have. Friday? No.
So if I place these in here, then coming back to them would be easier. It's like one less thing I have to worry about, and plus like setting these up like right in a row, much easier. You eventually get fast at it. But you won't get fast at it if you're doing it the other way.
No Terminator. A Godfather? No.
Boom, boom. Hell, I don't even have to like really do anything. Like the brain will kind of
A
like
Godfather? No. The Thing?
will kind of like think that it's doing it, coming in and out. Like It's fading. No, it's not. It's just disappearing. Your brain's filling in the details, yo. Gotta let the brain.
The Thing? No. Spider-Man? No. Spider-Man? No. Flash movie? No.
It's all about the psychological angle. It's all about rhythm too, I've noticed. Especially, yeah, having rhythm and stuff like that really helps.
Flash movie? No. John Wick? No.
Do. And I do like just play by ear.
Have I? No.
I try to do what like looks good. Does this freaking look good?
John Wick? No.
Because like where she's at here, her head is like right in the middle. I think it could be like, it can be up like a third more and allow me to have bigger things here. Like putting these things in here. Kind of made the, I kind of like went all in and putting the names. Cause like, obviously she's talking to chat, but I do like showing them. So yeah, that's why I put that up there. But yeah, like putting this up here with the no, that's rhythm.
No. No Terminator. A Godfather? No. The Thing? No.
I could put like a buzzer noise too. Psst.
Spider-Man? No. Flash movie? No. John Wick? No.
But here, yeah, I guess like psychologically, like having a zoom in here too. It's a crop. Yeah, the names go into the trash. I just like, I could, but there's just so many of them right now. It's just like,
have I? No.
it's like,
Have I?
I think a zoom in would be funny. How many movies in this whole thing? A ton. At least this many. Fudge. 61 items. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can just fade this one out. I forgot. What was this at? This was at, we'll just do 125. There we go. And then this one will be 125 also. I almost kind of want to like, you know, make this like so much easier. Fuck. I should have done it. Is to render it, Because it was like one big section, and I should have just gone. I should have rendered it with this backdrop thing already on it, and just been done with it. Thinking back, I guess like there's it'll be a performance hit, but I can make I think I can make these things a sequence, and then I don't have to fucking worry about it any longer. I might do that. I might do that. I might go back and do it. So, yeah. Fuck. There we go. We need to move this over. So after this one.
Have I?
Here, we'll cut it here.
Twilight Sunlight?
Here. We'll cut it there. And then here, do this. Boom. Find out like that many? About that many? Do. Oops. Oh, we'll just use it. 150. Okay, so this here, I'm better to make my life a ton easier, hopefully. This here, we're gonna move it back. So this is gonna be, this is just gonna be 0. No, 100. This is the bottom one, right? Yeah. 100. And this one is gonna be this. Okay. What I'm gonna have to do is ungroup these. I should have done this earlier. Okay, so ungroup this. So this, we're gonna group these. Okay, group. I'm gonna save this in case it crashes. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is create a new sequence. So yeah, has overlay or something. Okay. We're gonna restore the audio. Oh, fuck me. This is the bad part. Okay. Fuck. Okay, wait a second. Oh shit, it just crashed on me. Good thing I saved it. Good thing I saved it. All right. Okay, so what I'm thinking about doing, and now I normally never do it really like this. I guess we could try recovering it. I was gonna redo it, undo it. Yeah, actually what I'm gonna do is open the previous one. There we go. No. I didn't save it here.
Have I?
No, not this one. Let's do this over. Do not save. I think it'd just be easier to do, because I can't do Control Z. It would just be easier to open it again. Oh boy. So here, I'm gonna undo these, ungroup clips. These are still grouped. I'm gonna ungroup these. Now, can I do this? Control. I can just do a shift. So, these two. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Have I? No.
So here,
Twilight sunlight?
check out this. Check it out. Put my transform in there. Come on. Normalizing audio usually crashes it, but this here I can just like do this. Now it has the overlay with it. It should. See? Now I don't have to make those fucking moves any longer.
Twilight sunlight? No. Godzilla? No.
Why wasn't I doing that earlier? Anywho, that's something that I will forget about doing again. Guaranteed. What the hell is on me? I got this black shit all over my skin. Not all over it. But it's crispy.
Twilight sunlight? No.
It reminds me of when I spent 40 minutes masking a flat blue screen onto a tilted computer screen. I don't know. I don't know what that is. But there was just an image for a class. But you're masking a flat blue screen onto a tilted computer screen. I don't really understand what you're doing. You're trying to mask the blue out of it? Like replace an image on the screen with a blue screen? Just masking straight over it. I thought you were trying to take the blue out of it or something. Like a... Or an and mask where it comes out. Where you pull out only the blues. If only. Like those masking operators, like in programming. I only really use those like whenever I was like programming an assembly. But sometimes when I see programs that have them in there, it's just like... It's like, oh my gosh. There was like one like library that was using it. And I was just like, just use a fucking... Like... We're not trying... We don't really need to conserve like shit in here. Make it easily programmable.
No. Zero? No.
Oh my gosh, this is so much easier. Just set flags. Just set flags. Like have a type flag or whatever. We don't need to be masking like you know, like 16-bit like number in like the first like 4 bits or does like 5 different things, and then the next 4 bits does like, I said first 4 bits do 4 different things, or you can have them do whatever, right? 0, yeah, 1, 3, was it 2, 4, 7, is that like 15 different things, right? Let's not do this. just assign a byte or whatever. Or even then, it's just kind of like it gets like crazy. I'm sure like the programmer was thinking like, oh yeah, we're gonna save so much space on this. I don't know. They just probably thought they were clever. What am I doing? Oh yeah, this is what I'm doing. What the fuck? Oh, so much fucking easier.
Twilight Sunlight? No. Godzilla? No.
My code is great. Why would anybody want to edit it?
Godzilla? No.
Oh, I'm like, I come back like, if I like don't write something, if I write something, I don't come back to it for like a month or something like that. I come back, I'm like, what the fuck is this shit? What was I thinking? And usually when I read it, I was like, ah, that's pretty clever then. Because if I was trying to just like prototype something, I'm like, ah, I better redo it. Like I still actually use it because I kind of like it. Because I was going through chat. I have a program where I'm going through like the chat. Where's it at? I get the test and then chat JSON. That's it. What is this? Text to image. What the fuck? I think it's in here. So I'm going through the JSONs. I might have got rid of it. Okay, so I'm going through the JSONs, right? This is the counter. So there can be multiple messages per second. And it's in this X here is part of the Twitter feed. It's just an this is like an array Twitter feed, right? So and this is like each message. So it has a timestamp on it. So I have a counter on here, and I'm just doing a plus plus for each one that has the same time seconds. It's just going through it. It's like, oh yeah, baby. Like I still don't really like it. Like, but I still like it at the same time. I can't really think of like a better way to do it. But I was like so confused what I was doing here. When I came back to it, I was like, what the fuck am I doing here? But yeah, this is coming back and this is counting how many messages are in a second. But I had to build a whole big array for that. But now I can just like plot it like, I can plot to see like when chat's active. Doesn't necessarily mean it's the most interesting stuff coming up. A lot of times, like for Henya, if she goes to the bathroom, her chat goes wild.
Godzilla?
Yeah. So that's kind of funny. Why do I have like this shit here? There we go. It disappeared. Oh, I hit the wrong button.
No.
Do. I should copy this. Oh man, I just saved myself so much time. I just wish I thought of it earlier. Boom, boom, boom. But I can't really do. I have a laptop too. I can't really do this on my laptop because it will just like kill it. It'll kill it. So this will come back down. Boom. And then these will disappear. I should just like throw them. I should just throw them away. Do you know the % increase in chat engagement for bathroom breaks off the top of your head? No. I could probably. She's been going to the bathroom a lot lately. She probably should check that out. But I've noticed it. It goes up a ton. We can do like an example. I grabbed the chat on this one, but I didn't use it because I already knew like what I wanted to grab out of it. So this one is here. Since this isn't a complete program, I just grab it and throw it in here. Do I have to change anything? There's more that I want to do with this, so chat scan. Let's make sure this is doing what I want it to do. Base directory. I don't know why I did it like this extensive. Like I can just do. I'll paste this. Oops. Paste. Motherfucker. Copy. Paste. There we go. So this is a chat data, and we'll just call it chat data. Yay! And yeah, equals. Oops. I got a weird keyboard, so sometimes I press stuff and it jumps everywhere. I got a what's it called? A ThinkPad keyboard. So then like a const JSON location. I think it's just here. I don't think I need anything in here. But I need the name of it, so it's shit. Henya chat 2024 0701 .json. There we go. Do. Yeah, I need to pass arguments. I don't think this is doing anything crazy. Eventually, though, what I want to do is have it print stuff and look at emotes eventually. Oh my god. Type unit. Okay. Where was that at? Twitter feed. Badges version. I really don't care about this. There we go. I don't care about the fucking version. I guess I would if I had to like change it. It's probably a string or a float. So that should be in here somewhere. Where'd I put it? It ran. Chat data. It should have been in here. There it is. So this is the data. Rename. It seems like an older version. Because I had to go like automatically putting CSVs in it. I gotta be careful here because I probably was programming this on another computer, and yeah, I do that every once in a while. I don't like update crap, and then I got conflicting shit. So let's use the Excel wannabe. Okay. And so this is area 15 seconds. And so yeah, this takes a step every 15 seconds, but it does but overlaps every 30 seconds. And so we can like do I just right click this? There it is. And I do a scatter one with the dots. So let's finish it. And so also this takes the average. And then anything above the average it'll mark, and then anything below it will be like negative. So where is this at? This is at 1 hour and 17 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, let's check this out. Let's create a new sequence. Full. And this will be Super Epidio.
Oh gosh. He's had a pizza. Nice.
So they're going wild here over something.
Yeah, I do that. Sometimes I watch it chat Twitter as well. Yeah, she knows. I know. I'm always lurking. I'm always watching you guys, though. Yeah. I live inside your wall, though. I live inside your wall. Wall, though.
She lurks her Discord.
What? Why do you think it'll be really cool if they
Boo 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 boo. Do 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 do. Is it gone? I didn't close it. Let's check out this. 136.
Next up.
Uh-oh. So these are actually good ones, right?
So that's really cute.
Yeah.
What's this one do?
They're going crazy over this.
So Zen, you got that towel. You got Zen. You got
So
the
that was a
towel
classic
too.
moment.
You got the towel too.
Inside joke.
It's genetics.
You watch,
Everybody got
you
rigged
watch
by
Henya a lot?
has this face. It's genetic, dayo. Genetic? Genetic? Wait, it's DNA, dayo. DNA, dayo.
Next up, the hairstyles we got here. Can't mix it up with the ponytail fashion here, as you guys can see. Mixing it up with
Oh,
all
that's
the latest
cute.
fashion. Then of
So like with the ahego, what is that face, like a pure like like the tongue sticking out. Henya like accidentally pressed her toggle because I guess like the person that does both of does the rigging, like rigs one of those things in it, and she accidentally pressed her toggle and did it. Someone else got to it way before me. Yeah, but I clipped it too.
It should be like you have an emotional... Why buy the cow when you can have the milk for free?
Why buy the cow when you have the milk for free? That's true. That's true.
Wait, why am I smug face again? Huh? Wait a minute. Wait, why am I crying? What? My bread! あれどうやって消すんだっけあれ How do I turn off? Okay. I will be building my things. あ、待って。
Hold up.
How do I fix it? Am I done?
I knew she had this toggle. Cause she's like, I can stick my tongue out, and the other one's like,
Melody is smiling somewhere.
Melody's smiling somewhere.
You saw nothing. You saw nothing. You saw nothing, okay? You saw nothing in here, okay? You saw nothing. No YouTube. No nothing. No clip. You saw nothing over here. Holy frick! What the heck? The biggest surprise I got in 2024 is not family friendly. Totally not. Totally not. Oh, I remember F6 for reset and removal. Old toggles when it comes to the Kevin rigging. Oh, thank you! Oh, it is! Arigatou, mouse! Arigatou! Thank you! Thank you! On accident too, he's sneaky.
That's before it went cat mode. Yeah, so that was that's why chat was going crazy. So it's not always like, you'll find though, like a lot of times for her, it's someone she's using the restroom because they do like the Joler thing. Yeah, one time I did that. I was like, oh yeah, this will be good. And it's like she's at the restroom. Where the hell? Like this is here, right? But it's not. It's not here. It should be in here. It should be a part of my quick. So this is obviously goodbyes. This might be, this could be like a long one. Oh, this is probably, this is probably what we're doing right now. Probably. Get off that. 325.
Life of Bray? Nah.
Yeah.
I watch Aladdin. I watch Up. Jaws? I have seen it. Terminator 2? Nope. Harry Potter? Yes, I have. The Dark King? Dark Knight? Oh, the Batman? Yeah, yes, I have.
But like for her chat though, like this is why I want to do like sort out emotes, because I do want to do like another like Henya sings. So whenever she sings, her chat will like use the dancing emote. And so that's why I want to grab that. It'd be much easier to find it. So and whenever like if I can count the people doing the dancing ones, it's not always that. Sometimes like if it's like good music too, they'll start doing it. But every time she sings, they start doing the dancing stuff. So I have like a dancing clip. Well, not a dancing clip. I have like a Henya sings clip. But this was just like, this is me like watching these whole videos. It's one of my favorite ones. Of course it is. She was playing this game by herself, so she was singing to not make herself as scared. Oh, this is the voice of an angel, yo. See, they're all dancing there. I just gotta let you know. It doesn't matter how she sings it either.
Wait, it's a
she has a good chat.
I watch Sakura fall and Anagura goodbye. I feel nara miku you. I feel miku you. I feel miku you. Na 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 na. This song is like stuck in my head and I can't get over. Ah, Happy Synthesizer. That's a cute one. Happy Synthesizer, 君の胸の奥まで届くようなメロディーが鳴れるよ。 世界で一番お姫様そういう扱い
So here, like, I don't know if Premiere Pro, like, it will actually, like, it can cut her completely out. Like here I have a box around her, but it'd be nice. It would have been nice to have like something that'll cut it completely out. If you chat scan, the dancing mode, does it count a message with the number of emotes or just one? So I'll like when I do it, it will just be one. It'll just be one per message. I'll have it stop after it finds one. It won't. Yeah, because like I don't really need to know if someone does like, you know, has 16 or one of them or whatnot. So.
Ne, Meruto. Oh boy, Meruto. That's like keys are too high. Oh, also, I love the music for Miku is I think Tondemo Wanda. Yeah, that's my favorite as well. あれもね、めっちゃ好き。ね、バタタタタタタタ everybody showtime.
That's Aroshi, yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
Best cover.
I'll always clip her, man.
Rolling Girl. I love Rolling Girl. I know, right? Lonely girl はいつまでも届かない。
I always clip her. I don't get the most views on clips for her. I usually get the best ones with collabs. Usually if FaZe is having a collab or whatnot.
Yes.
Or collabs with Fillion.
Chat, I'm singing. I'm not screaming. Why are you using a screaming able?
I just think there's too many clippers for Henya.
What the f that yo? I'm singing.
And plus, like, yeah. My channel, like, covers, like, way too many VTubers. So, like, I think the best ones, like, usually, like, focus on one VTuber. It took me way too long to realize that Pikami... I wish I knew Pikami. I never got to know her. So, I'll even, like, watch stuff with her previously in it, and it's just, like... It's, like, gut-wrenching. Because I know what happened to her, and I'm like, man, I wish I knew, like... I wish I followed her, like, when she was doing it. But I didn't get into VTubers until after she... I think after she... Yeah, it was after she graduated. I don't remember when she did, but it was about June last year when I started getting into VTubers. So I didn't know any of the Hogwarts shit. I wasn't there for that. Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Her voice is like a little different though too. I wonder if she had to like buy like a new mic and stuff and just like and all that stuff. It says on the Pikami channel bio when she graduated. Yeah, I bet it was like March or something like that.
Smash, Mary,
What is
kill.
that?
Can you smash the person you
Pikami.
marry? Yeah.
They still have the channel up. Oh, I guess I do. Yeah, it was in March. So there's like a fan VOD. They have like all her streams at least. I think all of them. I don't know. Yeah, I missed this part one, man. I missed shit like this. I was wondering why she's like humped over like this. It's like, why is she walking like this? But she's sitting down. I just realized that. This is so good. This is so good. Her looking back at the camera there.
Fuck you.
One of them's like, don't turn around, and then she turns around. Question marks. Camera.
I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good, right? That was really good. It's taking a while. Wait a second. Wait a second. What?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? I spit my drink from my mouth. I was drinking tea, and I spit it all over it. Fuck. Fuck.
Good. Is this the toilet? Is this edging? What? There's no way.
ね、そうなの。そうなの。何の話したっけ？まあ、ええか。ちょっとまた頭ポワポワしてきた。大丈夫。コラボには問題ない。差し支えない。もう余裕余裕。ラジオ中に吐いたりしないで。そんなまさかそんな失態をするわけがないないないない。ね、吐くわけないな。Me? Puking during the stream? Nah. What do you think? I've been doing this for 3 years. I'm a professional VTuber, Dazzle. There's no way I'm puking during stream, Dazzle. No. That's not gonna happen. So, nah. Yeah, I'm a professional, Dazzle. I'll be fine. It'll be fine. Nothing's gonna happen. So, he's gonna see my big senpai. Senpai Pikachu. What? Nah. JP and Nika are like, oh my god, this is gonna be a disaster. She's gonna fucked up the DMJ stream. They're like, no, I'm gonna be
that got me into picking me was the onigiri cookie stream.
Not my first
there's
time
one of
the
those.
drinking.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's gonna be okay.
I wonder if someone can clip that.
So, I'm not sound.
I like the Henya
drunk.
one with
I do
the
not sound like
onigiri.
drunk.
Oh my gosh, that was such a good one too.
I'm not. Nah, they'll say that. Not me.
Let's check
not
out that
me.
clip.
The Pika
Onigiri.
silver kettle.
Pikami. Okay, 1 year ago. Okay, how long? 14 minutes? Okay.
We're just gonna have like a 40 or 50 bunch of gyoza together, and we just have a party like that. So it's a good memory.
Yeah, 餃子会だよね。
Yeah.
I'm gonna save this. There we go.
Gyoza kai.
Just so you know, I will do everything you tell me to do. So I won't think. I just do. Everything is on you. All the pressure is on you. All
such a good
the
entertainer.
responsibility.
She's such a good
Okay,
entertainer.
so what's the first step that you would like me to do for gyoza? I trust you.
I guess. Is that a cabbage?
D's nut
Yeah,
sign.
this is cabbage. There's onion. There's
Yeah?
ginger and garlic.
Shall we cut the cabbage or something, I guess?
Okay. And should I cut the whole cabbage? How much cabbage would you like?
Alright, why not? Let's go for the whole thing, Dale.
The whole. Okay, the whole thing. We're going for the. Oh dear Lord. Okay.
Let's
okay.
go.
That's a lot of
Just so
cabbage,
you
yeah.
know, guys, this is how much meat I have based on
Okay.
the recipe she gave me, and this is how much cabbage is going into this amount of meat based on the recipe she gave me.
I'm just gonna say I'm sorry for now. To your future.
We'll use this much. So this is about 3/4. And then, is there any way that you want me to cut it? Do you want me to shred it or dice it? Any particular way?
Yes.
Shredded, I guess. Alright, let's shred it. Shred it, Dale. Let's go.
I'm shredding it like this. Is it okay? Is this satisfactory to Master Chef Ikami-sama?
Yes. Yes, perfect, Dale.
Okay, so cabbage has been shredded. What would you like me to do now?
Alright, let's put it in a bowl.
Okay, I have a bowl. I think I had an idea how much filling we will make based on how much meat we have, but based on the amount of cabbage to this bowl, I don't think it'll... So give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna get a bigger bowl and I'll come back. 2 seconds, I'll be back.
Alright. Okay. Well, Chad, at the end of the day, I'm not the one who's eating it, so yeah. They are eating it, but not me, so yeah. Let's
Wait, I heard that. I heard that!
nothing.
You have to eat it in spirit as well. You have to eat it too.
Only Greg is in Canada at this time.
Okay, so I have the cabbage done. Is there a next step that I should do?
Alright, we're gonna mix it up with, meat, I guess.
With the meat? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna mix it, I guess, for now.
Mix it up with the meat.
Okay. I'm mixing.
Is it raw?
I'm kind of
Alright.
combining everything together.
I have no idea what to put in there anymore. I'm guessing we're putting the onion, I guess?
Onion, okay. Is there any way that you want me
You
to
don't
cut
cook
the
the meat
onion
first?
or just a whole onion? Please don't say a whole
Can we
onion.
do the whole onion, Dano?
I just said, please don't tell me to put a whole onion. All right, whatever you want, my queen. It actually looks pretty good. Oishiso da yo.
Oishisou.
Yeah, it actually looks really, really good.
Nice.
So, what usual flavors does your mom make for like gyoza? Is it usually like cabbage flavored, or does she do anything special?
Just a cabbage, I guess. I think
watch,
she puts the garlic in it as well.
Those,
Have you
cooking
tried
ASMR grandma
Nila
shows all the
flavored?
time.
Oh yeah,
Gyoza?
I did. It
Nila?
was good though. Nina.
Yeah. Like my favorite filling for gyoza is actually nila and pork.
Ooh, that
It's
sounds
really good. And I'm sorry, we started talking. I accidentally chopped the garlic. You didn't actually tell me to, so. Ginger. What would you like me to do with the ginger?
Ooh, for ginger, we're gonna put
Thin slices.
half.
Oh my
Half,
gosh.
okay. Whatever you want me to do, my lady. Half is about here.
And we cut it in the dice, I guess.
A dice. Okay, that's a lot of guys. It's not a lot of ginger. It's Pikami's recipe. Okay, you want me to dice it? Okay, this is going to be a really interesting tasting gyoza. I'm excited.
Uh-oh.
Don't backseat Pikami's recipe. Okay, if she wants this much ginger, it's going to
Need
be
some
this much
BGM more.
ginger.
Do you have any recommendation to the people who...
Yeah, it usually doesn't have. I call it ASMR, but it's just like people cooking, right? And it's like it's just them working like in the kitchen. And I'm addicted to that shit.
who just started cooking just like me? Because I always like, I don't know what should I cook.
Do you like spicy food?
Oh, I do,
So
I do.
I watch a lot of Japanese like cooking food, and it's like their food is super soggy. Like it is all soggy, and they have floors with like trenches and stuff like that, like where they can just like pour the water into it, so that it's just like everything's wet. Everything's just wet everywhere.
Ew.
Okay. So
I shouldn't say that's all that, but a lot of the noodle places.
my chat knows this, but my ultimate favorite, easy to make go-to meal is mapo
Is it called,
tofu.
origin setting? Yeah.
Mabunohe! I know.
But they'll prepare a dish or something like that, but they're not telling you how they make it or anything like that. Like I'm sure like sometimes it does like have them like working the line, the show, but then they'll also show like them like prepping the food for the morning and everything like that. So yeah, what they do to get up, and it shows them like getting up like at 5 a.m. and you know, sometimes like 4 or whatnot, and then like prepping the food. Oh yeah.
I think tofu dishes are really easy because tofu can take a beating. It's not like meat where if you overcook it, it turns really hard. Tofu just kind of soaks up the flavor and it's really simple.
Oh boy, I gotta start cooking now.
Is the ginger okay? Personally, I would have grated the ginger, but you told me to dice it, so I did. So I tried to get it as small as possible so we're not eating like huge chunks of ginger. But is this okay?
Oh, thank you. Yeah. And the only cutting I know is a dice size. So I think I'm gonna dice every single ingredient today.
Everything diced. Okay, that's totally fine. Okay, everything is inside.
know
What
the
would
word
you like
diced.
me to do
Chopped.
right now?
Mix it.
Mix it, okay. Oh, I just poked a hole in the meat. I don't know why I did that. It felt really good though. Oh, maybe I can make it look like a nipple.
Hey, yo.
How do you say nipple in
Nice.
Japanese?
It's a chikubi.
Chikubi. Yeah, I'm gonna make
yeah.
it look like a chikubi. Can you see the elevation of my chikubi?
Oh yeah, that's a chikubi. Meat chikubi.
Niku chikubi.
Niku chikubi.
I have things mixed in. What's the next step?
Wait.
If I knew the party was gonna be like this, I would have stuck my dick in the mashed potatoes.
Is there anything else that you might have forgotten that you would like me to put into the gyoza? I'm not backseating, just double checking.
There's a one time my mom told me how to make a gyoza, so I'm just like I keep rewinding what she was saying in my head.
Just
Yeah, I know. Of course I know.
Stop
I'm
it.
forgetting that one, right?
stop
that
it,
one.
Onigiri. Stop it.
What's that one? What is it? Maybe it rhymes with polyu or doyu or
Doyu?
it rhymes with moyu.
Moyu?
Koyu. It rhymes
Koyu?
with. I'm trying my hardest right now.
Show you?
Yeah, okay, show you. Oh, we're putting in show you. You remember? Let's go. Oh, dashita, yokatta. Okay, and how much shoyu would you like me to put into
Shoyu?
the filling?
What is that?
It's got a lot of holes in it now.
Alright, I'm gonna fill up 2 holes with the shoyu, I guess.
Worth up 2 holes. This is actually a really good measurement. Fill up 2 holes of shoyu. 1 full hole of shoyu. 2 full holes of shoyu.
Oh
This is
no.
gonna be a very salty shoyu, but that's okay. That's okay.
Shoyu?
Is there anything?
What is that stuff? Sweet soy sauce? Show you? Soy sauce. Okay. Interesting. Thank you, Raring.
Else to fill
you,
in
test
into the
account.
other holes? Any other ingredients you
soy
would like me
sauce.
to put in? It rhymes with bake. It rhymes with
Sake.
dake. It rhymes
that
with
rice?
lake.
Sake?
How many holes of sake? How many holes would you like for sake?
Alright, let's go with 3 holes.
Okay, so we're getting drunk today as well. This is fine. I think we're missing 2 more ingredients.
Oh, actually, maybe I know.
Okay.
It's salt and pepper.
Close. So normally you do need to put salt and pepper, but because we put in like 2 holes worth of soy
Tons of soy
sauce, I
sauce.
think it's salty enough. I think, but that actually wasn't what I was thinking of. I was actually thinking of something that rhymes with kato or pato.
Sato. Sugar.
Sato, sugar. I'll add in some sugar. Okay, so I think the filling is done, more or less. It smells really good. Should we start wrapping, or is there anything that you would like me to do before then?
No, but I think it's good enough. So let's go for wrapping.
So when you make your own wrapper at
Oh,
home,
is this
the
like,
dough is a lot softer, so you don't actually need water
Is this dumplings?
for homemade wrappers. But usually the store-bought ones, you do need a little bit of water because the
Now I see
wrapper
why
tends
it's
to
not
be a bit
cooked.
dry. And then you seal it up on the top, and then you add a little crimp. So I like to grab a little bit on the side there, so it leaves a little bit
I
of an
like
edge.
dumplings.
And then I fold it on itself like that,
Pan-fried
fold it down a little
dumplings.
bit
Oh,
more.
yeah.
And then just go back a second time just to make sure it's really, really sealed. And you should see a nice little crimp on the side there, I believe.
Ooh, yeah. Nice.
That's how I like to make the gyoza, but everyone kind of crimps it and does things differently.
Yeah, kind of gyoza dumpling is hard, I guess. Like, it takes a time to get used to it.
Yeah, it takes a little
It's like
bit
a
of
prep
practice.
food, right? I might try making that at home. I like mixing it up.
Okay, I think we have have quite a bit. 'Cause it's gonna take a while to cook as well. So I think we have enough for at least like a meal. So I think we can
Plastic
cook now.
dumplings
I
are all the
believe.
same
Are we
thing.
good to
Okay.
cook?
Yep, let's go.
Gyoza pot stickers.
Do we put oil in there? I have no idea. I think like putting oil is meant to be not getting stick to the pan, I guess.
You wanted to fry though, right?
No, you're right. You're right. Absolutely right.
Just
Should
that
be it.
much?
Very nice.
If you ever want to cook for yourself and you're using oil, put your hands over the pan and obviously feel if it's hot or not. Another indication is if you're putting in regular oil, swirl it around, and if it kind of moves like water, then it's probably hot.
Yeah,
There's no
it's hot enough.
resistance. It doesn't feel super like viscous. That's also another way of knowing that your oil is hot. Okay, I'm just gonna heat that up. Wait for it to heat up a little bit.
Alright.
I know you said medium, but I'm actually gonna turn it down a little bit. Just a little, not cheating.
Not cheating.
So how long are we cooking this
I
for?
put it
Is
down
there
low
anything
because
we
there's
should be
raw
looking
meat in it.
for?
I will say probably 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes. Oh my. Okay. So, Onibro is gonna eat the portion that's been cooking for 10 minutes. I'll do the next batch. Not 10 minutes. Oh, this is already like more than done. So when you pick up the dumpling and it looks
do you
like
know
it's
it's
like
done?
nice
Yeah,
and
it's
golden
done.
brown like that, which is really quick, you actually want to turn the heat down a little bit.
Yeah.
Add a bit of water.
And put the pan.
So I have
Put
the
the lid on
heat
it, I mean.
on medium low to low now. What the water does actually helps to cook
it
the
all
dumplings and
the middle.
steam it
Yeah.
so that the inside is cooked. Then that will take about like 8 minutes or so.
was
So
gonna
10
say,
minutes is
like,
correct.
I was gonna say it's like if it's just that much oil on it, you're not gonna cook the middle at all.
But that's more so for steaming and not
Yeah.
for actually pan frying. And you can check, like if it looks like it's not cooked through yet, but the water is gone, just add more water and then keep cooking it. It's not a big deal.
Right. Thank you. Ooh.
Okay, so gyoza
That's
is
good.
more or less done. I can pick one up for you.
Nice.
That looks pretty good, right?
Ooh, it looks
Yeah.
good.
Everyone
Looks
everyone
good.
relax.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm starving now.
It looks a little dark, but it's actually IRL. It actually looks really good.
Also
It
prevents
looks
burns.
so good.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Sticks in
I
pan.
wanna try.
Do you want to make the sauce so that I can have Onibro maybe try the first one first?
Alright. Vinegar, right? A vinegar.
Vinegar. How much vinegar would you like me to put in?
2 seconds.
I've never heard someone telling me, like, instead of like, a splash, a tablespoon. This is the first time someone's
Squeeze
like,
the bottle
2
as hard as you
seconds.
can. 2 seconds.
2 seconds of sauce. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, that's 2 seconds of sauce. And then what's the next one?
Alright, sauce, right? The things. I of course I remember the name.
Your mom
I
says the
just
same
can't-
thing.
Oh. What was that about it?
I
Orange gloves.
could have sworn it kind of rhymes with okayu or
There's just one chef that has a
tatayu
tattoo
or
on his hand, and it has like the different whatever piles like you have on there. It has like teaspoon, and there's like circles on it. It's like teaspoon, tablespoon, like ounce and whatnot. Does she use single standard units or measurement? And yeah, I don't think she does at all.
no. I mean, show you is, but that actually wasn't the one that I was going.
But like the thing is, you start cooking stuff. It's like you find out it's more like an art than a science, and you can get wrapped up in all like the measurements amounts. Although it does help, like especially if you have like finicky stuff, maybe like sourdough bread. That's kind of finicky.
Wait for it, but
Especially when you're trying to find out like the best like mix of water and stuff like that. Like when you're trying to get something, like trying to figure it out. What the hell's going on here? Someone is real home cook when they measure in seconds and glugs and about that much. Yeah. Well, you just kind of have like a recipe, and then you just kind of do it.
how many seconds?
Although like whenever I'm making bread, I do exact measurements. Yeah, when you're baking. Yeah. Yeah, when I'm doing bread.
And so
and stuff
show
like
you?
that.
Let's go with
I don't want to mess with it too
love-
much. But the thing is too, like in America, we do like cups And like, you know, we do measurements of volume, but most other places they do like measurements of weight. Baking is a science, cooking is an art.
0.5.
1.5? Hey,
I don't do a lot
she's
of
really
baking.
testing my pouring skills.
But I do make
Let's go.
cornbread every once in a while.
1, 2.
I do want to make these
And then
dumplings.
the next one that I was
had
hinting
dumplings like
is
20 years.
it rhymes with okayu, it rhymes with payu, it rhymes with gayu, it rhymes with
Oh, now I get it. Lion.
yayu. Yeah, layu.
Yeah.
Chili oil. This is in a strawberry jar because my mom makes the chili oil for me. My mom makes the really spicy stuff. So, how many spoons would you like me to put in?
I love Liu, so let's go for 2.
Oh shit, she's trying to kill me. My mom makes the really spicy stuff. Okay.
Nice.
All right, that's 2.
Nice.
All right, Oni bro. So yours is done.
Is he excited to test our lovely gyoza?
I think Oni bro, because he's been watching the whole process. I don't know if he's excited or scared or whatever, but
Homemade
let's
chili
see
oil?
what he says. Let's see what he says.
Maybe I like to do
Okay,
that
Oni bro's
sometime.
tried it. I think he's formulating an opinion.
It's a 2.
How is it, Oni bro? I mean, it's 8. Okay, 6 out of 10. Okay, that's not too
Not bad.
Normally, at the very most, it would be 50-50 meat. So all the veggies combined would add up to 50% of the whole portion of the stuffing. So generally, that will give you the best balance between vegetable and meat. Also, normally, I would dice the cabbage real thin. I wouldn't really shred it. The only thing I would change is probably the cabbage. Everything else, it's actually really, really good.
Yay! We did a good job. One day I'm gonna make my own gyoza by myself.
Yeah. And here we have the completed dish. It's really, really delicious. I had a lot of fun. If you ever want to try the
Yo, what's up,
recipe,
Asian Man?
feel
We're
free
watching,
to check out the
Pika
Patreon
Me
and find the
right now.
recipe in there. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. Pika Me, thank you so much for joining me.
I get
I hope
distracted.
you enjoyed your stay
I wanna
as
watch
well.
the-
Thank you so much for having me.
The
It was
Henya one.
very educational and it was so fun. Thank you.
Please check her out. She's the sweetest. And yeah, I
She
had
is
a
the
lot of fun.
sweetest.
I'll see you guys next time in my next video. So make sure you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, notification bell, all those wonderful things. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
I gotta finish watching the K-San one. This is so
like
good.
octopus?
No. Like, come on, catch me. Catch me now. I tried to help you. Hi. Yeah, it says cheddar cheese on the package.
So yeah, check out Onigiri.
It looks like she's using me as a hizamakura. Like
I have actually made
lap,
dishes that
the
she's
lap pillow. While
done.
they can't hear Henya, do
Yeah.
you have anything you want to complain about to your chat? They can't hear you. You can say it now.
Oh, okay, I have.
Just secret between you and me.
They suck. There are a bunch of babies in there, And they also call me I have no nose.
Actually, they're kind of right about that one. Where is your nose?
Right here. Can you see it?
You're moving around like you're like a plastic bag in the wind right now.
Come on, catch me.
Don't go.
Catch me now.
Oh, are you stuck on my tail? Wait, she's actually stuck on my tail.
I think I am. Help! Help!
Onigiri convinced you to get a
I was
clear.
wondering why. I thought it was you. I thought
Okay, like you see, when I watch those cooking things, they all have cleavers, yo, and I don't have one either. I think I want a cleaver too. I might have to get one and then sharpen it. I think they'd be easier to sharpen than like other knives, right?
you were doing that. Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
We're good.
I think.
Hajimaru da yo. Hajimaru da yo.
Let's do it.
Welcome in,
Get
Henya.
a-
Welcome in. I hope that you're very excited
Get
to
a grinder.
cook.
Arigato. Thank you for having me today. I'm very excited, Dale, and I'm starving.
Henya said that she wanted me to make a taco bowl,
Cutting through
taco
bones. Oh yeah,
rice.
It's
I
called
cut
taco
my chicken wings
rice in
sometimes.
Japanese.
So what
you
is
see,
that?
It's like tacos on the bowl, like on top of the rice.
Wait, like taco as in like octopus?
No. Like the Mexican taco.
Oh, taco. Wait, there's supposed to be tacos on the rice?
Yeah.
Okay, Oni bro, you want to
See, how
run
do
to
they,
the rice?
Yeah.
That had to be like, they had to take just Henya out of there and then.
Oh, taco. Wait, there's supposed to be tacos on the rice?
Yeah.
Yeah, just Henya stretched.
Okay, Oni bro,
crazy.
you want to run to the konbini and get some tortillas?
So why this dish though? Do you like to eat it? Have you tried it before?
Well, my mom actually really good at making those, so she's always making it for me, and it's so delicious. Also, probably she's watching my streamer, this stream right now. I told her that we're going to make a taco rice.
Oh, hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Henya. Okay, if I'm doing wrong, if I messed up anything, I blame it 100% on your daughter. She just didn't do enough, and she had like a whole like half a day to plan it, and I feel like that's completely her fault. Do you know how to do like YouTube intros? Usually, I always like to let my guests do it because I'm always so bad at it.
I'll do my best though.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Always use
My name is Genius, and this is Giddy. We're going to get cooked at the Taco Bell. Thank you. Bye-bye.
the Michael Myers knife.
How was it?
Yay! There's actually one dish I did tell Henya that she didn't request for it, but I thought it would be fun to actually make it. Can you actually kind of guess? It's something that you like.
Oh, I like it. Maybe I have some guess. Reese's? Or stuff like that?
Yeah. So I obviously I know you really like Reese's and you like them frozen. So I thought it would be fun to actually try making it together. I have never made it before.
It's so old though.
We melt the chocolate. We'll cut the tip of the piping bag, and then we're gonna pipe the chocolate into the little thingies here. Why are you looking at me like that, chat? I am 99,999,999 IQ for cooking, okay? Henya, you think so too, right?
Yeah, I agree with you, Dale.
Why did that sound kind of forced?
No, it's not. Right, chat?
Don't look at chat. Why did you feel like you were trying to convince yourself?
No, it's not. Yeah, right, chat?
No?
Right?
Don't look at chat. I said don't look at chat. Look at me.
Yeah, chat?
Huh?
Yeah.
No,
I trust you.
Stop looking at chat. This is the quote-unquote peanut butter. Peanut cream. That's what it looks like. I thought it was gonna be like more like grainy, but it's just completely wet. It's like Jello.
It is.
It's normal? This is okay? It's supposed to look
it's
like
normal.
that?
It's normal. Usually it's like that.
Honestly, I fall into the trap of paper plates as well because it took me a while to buy regular plates. My onions are still sitting on a paper plate because this is the one that I used last stream.
It's so easy. You just need to throw it away. You don't need to wash dishes. It's so easy. So usually I do is I use my plate, but I put the like a wrap. So after that, I don't need to clean my dishes.
And then why use a spoon? Just use your hands, right? And then why use a napkin? Just use a saran wrap and wipe your mouth, right? It's literally like an all-stop shop, and like you don't have to worry about anything.
That's what you do?
No, it's not judging. No, it's not judging. No, I couldn't. No, I'm gonna put this in the fridge while we make everything else. But it's kind of cute.
Oh, no, it's so good.
I hope my logic stands. Again, never tried this. But
You're cooking genius. You're got this, Dale. You got this.
God, wait, am I really a genius? Stop.
Yeah, you're cooking genius. You got this.
I am. Do you really mean that, though?
Yeah,
you do,
of course.
Right?
No, I'm not. Yeah, of course not.
Wait.
Of course I am.
Sorry, maybe my hearing is leaving me. Did you just say like no for a second, or
there is no way I say no to you, right? There is no. Yeah.
Have you heard of Gary's strategy for cutting onions without crying? She talks about something about like wetting them down here, but that takes away the taste. Usually when I chop them, like as long as you don't cut off the I want to call it the root part. She wraps saran wrap around her head to cook rice. Supposedly, like like the base of it. Like and I've noticed I've not been crying as much. Okay, so I wonder if I'll get hit with this because it's gonna be oh, I guess I got bye. I'm sorry, we're not gonna listen to the rest of your singing. It was like Gordon Ramsay. Cutting an onion. Just muscle through and build up the resistance. Also, I just have a really sharp knife. Yeah. So dicing an onion.
How to chop an onion. This is the root. That's absolutely crucial. Leave that on there. If you cut that off, the onion will start to bleed and you'll start crying rapidly.
So you gotta leave that on there.
If you cut that off,
What's it called again? The root?
this is the root. That's absolutely crucial. Leave that on there. If you cut that off,
Technically, it's all the root. Well, no, it's not. The bulb, I guess that's the bulb. But yeah, the root part. I never really cut them that close, but yeah, I guess if I do like a diced, like really diced, then I would do that. I like, you all see that bruise that he got? Oh my gosh. I wonder how he's doing now.
Hi guys, it's Gordon. I'd like to share a very important message with you all. You know how much I love cycling, and triathlons and Ironman, etc. This week, unfortunately, I had a really bad accident, and it really shook me. And honestly, I'm lucky to be here. Now, from those incredible trauma surgeons, doctors, nurses in the hospital that looked after me this week, they were amazing. But honestly, you've got to wear a helmet. I don't care how short the journey is. I don't care, the fact that these helmets cost money, but they're crucial. Even with the kids, a short journey, they've got to wear a helmet. Now, I'm lucky to be standing here. I'm in pain. It's been a brutal week, and I'm sort of getting through it. But I cannot tell you the importance of wearing a helmet. This weekend is massive. It's Father's Day for new fathers, old fathers, middle-aged fathers. I want to wish you all a very happy Father's Day. But please, 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 please wear a helmet, because if I didn't, honestly, I wouldn't be here now. Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. Yeah, intense, yo. So Gordon, I don't really like Gordon Ramsay when he's on like American national, network television. But his British stuff is great. I go insane when people don't wear helmets. I think I wore a helmet last time I rode a bicycle. I think the actor for Hawkeye also got caught under a truck. Oh my God. Did Gordon get caught under a truck? My girlfriend witnessed someone get rolled under a truck, and the girl died. But yeah, died in the hospital a little bit after that. It wasn't a truck. It was like a bus. It was on campus.
These are done. There's one milk one because the milk one was really, really stodgy, but the dark ones turned out well. Hopefully it'll freeze in time. Let me just don't look at it for a second. Okay, for taco rice, what do you usually like for your topping?
I have my lettuce, tomato, beef, and cheese.
Cheese. Oh,
cheese.
You're lucky I have cheese. I didn't actually buy it. I have Parmesan cheese. Is that okay?
Yeah,
and
that
smoky
works.
cheese. What do you like? Do you consider like Kraft singles as cheddar cheese? Like, what's your opinion on Kraft singles?
Oh, I love it.
Do you think it's considered real cheese though, in your opinion?
That's the only cheese I know.
Wait, so when you say cheddar cheese, you're talking about Kraft cheese?
Probably not much.
Yeah, the Kraft one, the sliced one.
When you're saying you like cheddar cheese, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, it says cheddar cheese on the package.
Oh dear God. Honey, heat that.
What is it?
No, doesn't want to say anything. I hate you.
What?
Not you. I meant the stove. Not you.
Oh, okay. You're fine. I was like,
what?
But I did not. I tried to help you.
I was expressing my hatred towards my stove because it's confusing
your stove.
It'll turn off when it thinks it's hot enough, and I'm just like, bitch, you stay on when I tell you to stay on. And if it's on for too long, it turns off. I'm just like, bitch, what if I'm slow roasting? What if I'm making like 10-hour pho? You have no right to decide when I turn my stove off.
It's talking.
Oh, it says that the heat is high enough, but my oil isn't even like hot enough. Bitch, you're such a little. My stove is back.
She's fine.
I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. I'm gonna lose my fucking mind.
Welcome to Sgear's channel. Today's show is fighting with Stova, calling her beastie. I'm gonna go bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay, I just realized that I was so busy talking. I forgot to walk through the parts with Henya of how to make the dish. Well, I'll tell you anyways, and I'll tell Henya later. It's just literally garlic and onion and some beef. That's it.
I'm back. Thank Thank you.
Sorry, I was just telling Chad, Henya, you wanted to learn how to make this dish, but I didn't say anything about how to make the dish yet. So I believe, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think taco rice spawned from they created this dish because it was hard to find like Mexican ingredients or something. So they just kind of used Japanese ingredients to get it close to like quote unquote Mexican flavors. And then they just put it over rice, something like that.
I have no idea. I just eat it because it's delicious.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to make it a little waterier, just a little bit, not too much.
Learning.
Oh, you
Just
put
a
the
little.
water in there? Oh.
I don't think you have to, but I'm gonna do just a tiny little bit to kind of moisturize my meat. So I added in onion, garlic, ketchup, a little bit of curry powder, paprika, chili powder, MSG, cumin, garlic powder,
MSG.
salt.
My mom actually behind me, and she gave me a thumbs up. Like, she gave me a thumbs up. Yeah, she did.
I think your mom is going to be very proud of me. I don't even care about Henya's opinion anymore. Honestly, I've
What
graduated.
the heck? I thought I was invited in here. Hello?
No, I'd rather have your
I'm
mom.
your
honestly.
guest.
Can you bring your mom on? I'm kind of. I'm kidding.
She's like, no.
Please tell me she's kidding.
She's kidding, right?
She doesn't mean it, right?
No.
Please not. I don't want to have a heart attack. I will go back to the tomatoes. I know you said you like tomatoes, but just to make it a little fancy, I'm actually going to make it into like a really, really simple salsa. I forgot to add beans.
Oh, beans?
Red kidney beans.
Red
They're like
kidney beans.
steamed.
Kidney
So they're already
beans.
fully cooked. I don't think I have to, I just drain them a little bit. Now we go back to the salsa. I have this on low heat, by the way. I have my red onion that I finely diced. I put it into the water. I was letting it soak in water for a little bit because I personally don't like the super spicy taste of raw onion. Putting it in water will kind of get rid of it a little bit.
Wait, it does?
Yeah, whether it's red
I didn't
onion
know
or
that.
white onion. If you don't like the spiciness, if it's a little bit too sharp for you, just literally put it in a
like
bowl
the
of
sharp.
water and just let it sit for like 5-10 minutes, not even that long. And then just throw the water out and it'll be like more sweet and less spicy.
Yeah, so it doesn't make you cry when you're cutting the onion?
Oh no, it's not the crying part, it's tasting it. It might still, normally you're supposed to cut it first, so if it makes you cry, you might still cry. Although I have a really good hack. Do you want to know how to make yourself not cry?
Yeah.
When you're cutting onion, you grab saran wrap and then you wrap it around your head 4 times. And then you won't be able to cry because you can't see the onion anyways. Okay, disclaimer, chat, don't do that. You're gonna get yourself killed. Have you been doing any cooking
When
for
I went to
yourself,
Subway,
even
we
if
had
it's
goggles.
like ramen or toast or whatever?
Well, usually my mom or my roommate do the cooking, and I'm just here for
Popping the
tasting
seeds
part.
out.
So, no.
No, but the tasting part is very important. Like, how would you know the food tastes good if you don't taste it, right?
That's right, exactly.
Guess they don't have lines
Actually,
there.
you might
Really
don't
bad.
know about this, but I've been watching your stream since your first model.
Really?
Yeah, I was. First time when I
you
saw
say that?
you, I was like, she's genius. She's cooking and her hands are floating. This is so cool like that.
I have I've been using my new rice cooker. Let me show you the rice that I made.
Yay, rice!
So look, I have rice that's not burned.
Did you flip it?
For
You
every
gotta
single
flip it.
person who's been fucking, is it burned? Is it burned? It's not
There you
fucking
go.
burned. It's not.
Da-da-da. Oh, it's a Japanese rice cooker. Nice.
Yeah. Zorishi?
Zojirishi.
Zoji,
Oh, the
one.
elephant one. It's funny though because the other company is called Tiger, so all the rice cooker companies related to animal.
Guys, Okay, let me just do an experiment, okay? Henya, could you like just drop a simple fact? It could just be like, hey, did you guys know 1 + 1 = 2? Can you just like...
Did you know 2 + 2 is 22?
Thanks, Henya. There's no way they're writing it down. Okay, now watch me, okay? Hey guys, by the way, did you know that to prevent avocado, they're literally sleeping. Okay, so I have my rice. How do you like to layer your taco rice?
I believe she put the meat first on the top.
Exactly how Mama would have it. So after the meat, what do you usually like on top of it?
She put lettuce And she puts tomatoes and stuff.
And let me actually. So we're done this one. Let me go check on the Reese's. Ow!
Reese's Puff, Reese's Puff. Ooh, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up.
It looks like it's hardened. Okay, it's definitely making a tonk tonk sound. But this is the taco rice. What do you think is that? This is really tall. How would you rate my taco rice just by the looks alone? Does it look close to what your mom has?
Yeah, it does. It looks really, really delicious. Oh, that looks so good. The color looks so good as well.
Okay, let's try the Reese's Puff. Oh, actually, Oni bro, here.
Oh,
it's nice and frozen. Let's see if we can peel it. Oh,
it's working! It's working!
Wait, it worked!
Oh my gosh,
I am actually a genius. Should we try? I'm curious. Let me cut into the. It actually kind of looks like the real deal.
Wait, it looks
chunky.
like Reese's.
Good. Here, do you want to have the first bite? I'll let you have the first bite. Open your mouth.
It's 10 out of 10 dial, 10 out of 20 dial. Did I say 10 out of 20? 20 out of 10, I mean.
I think for a week everything was perfect scores 10 out of 20.
I'm eating this right now. It's actually really good. Wait, Oni bro, do you have it rating? Oni bro said 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
That's good. That's really good.
Yeah.
Oni bro's a very, very hard marker. So 8 out of 10 is actually very, very good. I've never actually had this until literally just now. But it's actually really easy to make. If we're not like talking and chatting, it probably takes like 30 minutes, like tops. There's no way it'll take you longer than 30 minutes to make it if you have rice ready already. I'll probably make this more often.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I hope you have fun though. Did you? Were you able to enjoy yourself?
I had so much fun with you and with you guys, and thank you so much for having me today, Dale.
There you have it. We made Henya's favorite taco rice. I've never made it before, and it was really yummy. I actually look forward to making a lot more. And we also tried Reese's peanut butter cups. It looks a little mulled now, but it's actually really good. I'm glad that it worked out well. Henya, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun, and thank you for sharing stories and chatting. It's always a lot of fun.
Thank you.
And then make sure you check the description down below for all the links to find Henya.
Well,
check out her YouTube. Check out her Twitter. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the
Thank
video.
you, Patrons. Okay.
And see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Yay. This isn't a bitch. It's a bathtub. I am zonked, yo. I am zonked. Think I'm gonna call it here, yo. I think. Therefore, I am. Hey, thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye, Rarin. Bye, Test Account. Bye, Lurkers. Y'all have a good one. Hopefully I'll finish this other one. Yeah. Cat Matt. I'm a Cat Matt. Thank you for these folks here. For being a minion. And y'all have a good night. Bye.